The start of the new year has been a bit cold for the guys. Literally.
Came in today, and the heat was off.
No heat? Conditions must be getting rough in the studio, boss.
9 degrees. It feels more like 0. We were typing with gloves on today.
You trying to send a message to the guys, DP?
Now, we choose to live in the cold, okay?
Looks like you're really running a tight ship over there, Dan.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes bad, ugly. Today it was just cold, freezing.
Freezing? Let's get the heat turned on, DP.
I think the heat's back on.
Heat's back on? All right, now we can get back to work.
But he's having trouble getting his core temperature right. I don't even know what that means.
Yeah, my core temperature is off.
Let's try getting our core temperatures back up, guys. Or not. Hopefully the heat's back on today. The Frigid Dan Patrick Show starts right now.